Hi, hello everyone. Let us see how we traded on 24th August. These are all the stocks which we planned. Whatever we planned before market, we didn't get any entry in any of these stocks. We got entry only in Can Finance, that too in the late afternoon. So normally what we do, if you see, Ken Bank has given entry almost at 2:30. Normally we don't enter in any trade if it give entry after 2:30 because there won't be enough time for the trade to play out. So basically there were no trades from the pre-planned scripts. But what did we do? We were able to get chance to enter in Godrej Properties. We missed entry in Coforge. These are all like weekly trades which we planned like a couple of days back. So in Coforge we missed the entry. Let me open and show you Coforge. So let me open the Coforge chart. This was weekly chart, weekly trade which we planned. Let me show you on 75 minutes. So this was something we were waiting for the price to come here so that we can go long. We didn't expect this much robust move, but this is the area where we wanted to go long. It gave entry in the first candle itself and it started shooting up. By the time I got the alert, I opened, and before I planned the trade, it came almost so much high. So I was not comfortable to enter there because we don't know if it may correct back or it can go up. So entering at the right point is very important, but it was so fast, I didn't get even chance to enter the trade. But eventually it moved almost 9-10% up. We planned something for intraday and weekly trades as well in this trade. I'll show them later. And the other trade which gave entry and nice profit was Godrej CP. Sorry, Godrej Properties. So Godrej Properties, it gave entry from the supply area and it gave almost 30 rupees profit. The lot size is almost 400 chain something. So with this, the profit was almost like 13-14K in Godrej CP. And now let us see what else we traded. So we also took one more trade, breakout trade on Sun TV. Let me show you Sun TV chart. So if you see on the Telegram, this is where so Sun TV is looking bullish with SL current below current day low. So it was bullish. It was bullish on all time frames, even with RSI also it was very bullish. So we wanted to go long above this high. So the moment it crossed somewhere before this candle closed, I have given entry, and thereafter it has given almost 10 rupees profit. Even if you book like 6-7 rupees profit, that would have been very nice profit in breakout trade. And another trade, it was given by all the brokers, persistent. So when all the brokers were recommending to buy persistent, we just took a look to see what is happening with persistent. We saw this breakout from this area, and then even we entered in persistent. So from this breakout, again, there was a huge red candle, but we wanted to maintain the SL at least below this swing low. It fooled everyone. Maybe it took SL and then it started going up. We made good profit in persistent as well. So whatever I am talking, everything is here on the Telegram channel. So Sun TV chart, Sun TV chart. So this is where around 10 o'clock we recommended in this candle, and from there we have seen some nice profit. And Titan also, we thought of going long above this area, but it didn't go above, so there was no entry in Titan. Godrej Properties has given nice profit, and brokers were suggesting we just don't take any tips. We just took the name of the script. We thought like to see why everyone recommending. We saw the breakout from this area, and then we entered persistent. So that's it about stocks today. Basically, Godrej CP, Sun TV, and Persistent are the three stocks which gave us profits yesterday. We didn't get any entry from the pre-planned levels. And coming to Hero Zero, yeah, so there is one more thing on IRCTC. It is very, very much close to the supply area. If it come till like 666.7 somewhere, this is where we can enter some put. So you can enter the put as Hero Zero because the expiry is next week. You'll get the puts at very cheap price. If trade don't work, like no problem. If it works, we'll make some nice profits in IRCTC. I'll try to alert once it give any entry. See, coming to Hero Zero, never make that mistake. See, majority of the times expiry will be in favor of option writers only. So the chance of option buyer making money will be very, very less. So whenever you're trying some Hero Zero or something like that, be careful. Try to enter with very small quantity. See, I already said 19,450 and 500. This is where all the writers are sitting, call writers. They don't let the market go above. It is happening for the last 3-4 weeks. Every week it is in favor of writers only. So hardly out of 10, only 2 or 3 times option writers will get trapped, and that is the area where we need to uh, make some money in the market. So, but this week what happened? We have seen huge call writing here, but when there is huge call writing, by any chance, if market reach to any of the sub demand area, so I have seen this area. This is one area where we thought like maybe there could be some bounce back from this level. This was also yesterday closed right below that. There is some demand area. We thought like it will bounce back. It tried little bit and it gave up and it has fallen from there. This is something we planned before the market, 19,354. If the market by this time, if it came here, definitely we would have tried some hero zero. There was more chance this level would have worked. But uh, this is not great level, but we took chance because why? The premiums are very low. See, let me show you the Telegram channel. So what we did, we tried some hero zero in Nifty and we tried some hero zero in Bank Nifty as well, and they both failed. See, the way you need to trade is, don't think like, it is just 45 rupees. Even if I take 100 quantity, it is going to cost me only 4,500. So normal thinking of people is they think, okay, it is only 45 rupees. Even if I take 100 quantity, it is going to be 4,500 only. 4,500, this can become zero. Are you okay to take this 4,500 loss? That is the question. Are you okay to take this 4,000 risk per trade? What is your risk per trade permitted? If your risk per trade is 1,000 rupees divided by 45, how many stocks you can buy? Only 22. The lot size of Bank Nifty is how much? 15. So you are allowed to take only one lot only. So if your risk per trade is 1,000 rupees, you are allowed to take one trade only into 45. So then it will be only 675 rupees risk. Either it can go zero or it can become hero and it can give multifold return. But what people do, they look at this price, okay, they think it is very small, so they will enter with like huge 100 quantity, 1,000 quantity, and that can simply become zero. But you maintain the same quantity according to your risk management and try to follow that every week. Whenever there is jackpot, you will enjoy the jackpot, but don't try with a huge quantity. Even if you want to go with 2 lots, 30 into 45, that should be around 1350. That's it. Don't take more risk than this, because remember, always option writers are going to win this game, not us. We are just trying some lottery because price reached some demand levels and maybe there is a chance of price going back and all. And if you remember, yesterday even the price went like till 44 540 something like that, which means this call should have been in the real money of 45-50 rupees, but option writers are not giving any money. So it was just like 5 rupees, 10 rupees, something like that. So remember this point and don't get tempted by looking at the small prices, because there is a high chance of that small amount becoming zero as well. So try to plan that according to your risk, how much risk you are going to take per trade. Plan your trade accordingly. So that's it. And now let us see what will be the Nifty levels, and then we'll closely wind up because markets may open very shortly. See, it looks like there is almost 100 points difference now between Gift Nifty and our Nifty, which means there is a chance it can gap down 80, 100 points something in Nifty. So I wanted to show you some bigger time frame level on 75 minutes. On the higher time frame, if you are watching my videos, I was waiting for this level 19,700 to short for so many days. It was not giving entry at all. On the lower side, now the fresh demand area is around 19,000. When it come here, this is where we can go long. And if you see, there are some gap areas. This is one gap area, and market came very close to this gap area, and from there it started bouncing. Again, when it came back, it started bouncing. So now today, if you see market coming till 19,234, and if you see any indecisive candle, this is where you can look to go long with the stop loss below 19,185. If any 15 minutes candle close below 19,185, 185, that is where we can exit the trade with this 50 points SL. That should be the plan in Nifty. Now let me go back to the Bank Nifty and let me quickly show you the levels on Bank Nifty. So on Bank Nifty, around 44 150 we have one demand area, and above this is another area which we're waiting. We didn't get any chance at all. 45 470, around 45 500 we wanted to short, but it was not giving entry at all. So today, if you see market coming till 44 150, this is the area where we can look to go long. Let me take you to the clear 15 minutes level where you can plan the trades very clearly. So see where the markets are going to open. If the market open around here, we can plan long with the stop loss below this. If they open below this demand area, our entry will be around 43 950 area, and below 43 860 will be our stop loss. Let's see how market opens, and then I'll post the levels accordingly in our group. Thank you so much for watching.